Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a chocolates box. First, gather your materials. You'll need a sturdy box, some beautiful decorative paper, and a lovely ribbon. Don't forget food-safe dividers or small cupcake liners to keep your chocolates separate. Finally, have your delicious chocolates ready to go. Next, let's decorate your box. Carefully measure and cut your chosen decorative paper to fit both the inside and outside surfaces. Use a strong, non-toxic adhesive to secure the paper smoothly. For an extra special touch, consider adding a personalized label or some small, elegant embellishments to the lid. Now for the fun part, arranging your chocolates. Carefully place your food-safe dividers or cupcake liners evenly within the box. Then, artfully arrange your delicious chocolates, paying attention to their sizes and shapes. Make sure they fit snugly to prevent any shifting or damage when the box is moved. To complete your beautiful chocolate box, gently close the lid, ensuring it's secure. Then, tie a lovely ribbon around the box, perhaps in a complementary color, to add a touch of elegance. Your handmade chocolate box is now ready to be presented as a truly thoughtful and delightful gift.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.